Hello, I'm Sergey and this is a short ModlForge What You Get video. This time I'll show you how ModlForge handles shipping products from a warehouse using a barcode scanner. The entire app was designed in just a few minutes using drag and drop in the ModlForge Designer. I won't focus on the design process here, instead I'll show you what the finished app does. I have already entered some initial data. In products, I can view, add or edit products. For each product, I can define its name, unit of measure, barcode and category. I can also check how much of each product is currently in stock, either individually or across all products at once. In warehouses, I define our storage locations. In customers, I manage customer information. I've also added several categories and units of measure that we can use for our products. Before we can ship anything, we need some stock. Here I have already created a goods receipt into the central warehouse. We received 100 boxes of steel nails, 100 boxes of PVC window screws, and 100 boxes of chipboard screws. If I check the quantity in stock, I can see that we have 100 boxes of each of these products at the central warehouse, so they are ready to be shipped. Now to register customer demand, I'll create a sales order. I'll set the number to SOA003, the order date to today and the customer to customer A. I'll order 3 products. 2 boxes of steel nails at $3.80 each. 2 boxes of chipboard screws at $6.50 each. And 1 box of PVC window screws at $4.50. The total for each line and the overall sales order total are calculated automatically according to the expression I set up in the designer. I save the sales order, and once the order is ready to leave the warehouse, I go to shipment. I'll create a new shipment, set the shipment date, and select the sales order I just created. The customer and products are populated automatically from the sales order. I also select the central warehouse as the location the products will be shipped from. For every line I can see the ordered product, its barcode, the quantity ordered and the quantity shipped. Now let's process the shipment using a barcode scanner. I click this button to enable scanner mode. Now I can simply scan the product barcodes and the quantities shipped will be updated automatically. I have all 3 products here on the table, along with 1 imposter that doesn't belong to the shipment. I'll use this fairly basic scanner with its default settings and scan the original EAN13 barcodes on the products. Let's scan the first one, the nails. I'll scan it twice, 1 for each box ordered. The quantity shipped updates to 2 automatically. Let's do the same for the chipboard screws. Now let's try scanning the imposter drill bits. They aren't part of the sales order, so ModlForge does not update any quantities and shows the corresponding message. And finally, I scan the PVC window screws. Once everything is ready, I save the shipment. When designing this app, I connected the inventory calculation to the shipment, so ModlForge updates the stock automatically when the shipment is saved. If I now open the stock information, I can see the result. We started with 100 boxes of each product in the central warehouse. After shipping 2 boxes of each of the first 2 products, we have 98 boxes of each left. For the 3rd product, we shipped 1 box, so there are now 99 boxes left in the central warehouse. And because this workflow is built in ModlForge, you control how it works, from the data to the stock calculations. Calling it fully customizable is almost an understatement. You're not just customizing a predefined workflow, you're building your own from reusable building blocks.